everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Hobby Lobby craft haul. So let's get started. So let's start with the things that I got that were still on clearance. So I got these really cute little tiles. They are $1.99 regular and they were 49¢. And I thought these would really be cute to redecorate with seasonal items or names or anything. They're so cute. So these were 49¢. Got a couple of those. And then from the Paper Studio, I picked up this really pretty adhesive gem sticker. 74¢. And these really cute little flea market fancies metal stickers, and they have the mermaid tails, and I thought those were adorable. Trying to leave the store, passed by a display that had these magnets, and they're called locker magnets. But look at that llama, and it says no drama llama, and then the little pineapple, and these were 39¢. And this is really a good score. These are the paper fans. They're 5 count with 3 attachments, normally $9.99, and I got them for 99¢. So these are going to be great when we are back at work or you're decorating for a party and you need some really cute, inexpensive decorations. So they had this color, and then they had this one with the purple and the pink, hot pink. So I think both of these are cute. And then the Paper Studios items were all 50% off. So I picked up this really pretty sticker. It's a D, and it's pretty thin. I bought this for a project I'm working for my friends. And then I picked up these little glasses, these adhesive gems. I'm hoping they will fit over my Julie Nutting dolls, because that's what I bought them for. And then I picked up these adhesive gems. The colors kind of reminded me a little bit of Maggie Holmes colors. And I like the little flecks, the gold flecks within the stones themselves. And then from La Petite, by the Paper Studio, these really cute dimensional stickers for Christmas. And then this is a repurchase of these little cute burlap bows. I purchased them previously, and I love them so much that I thought at half price I better get another pack. And then they have these really pretty embellishments of these leaves. I just thought they were very unique, and they're flat, and so I think they'll look really good on a card. These are all 50% off. And then they have these really unique looking flowers. They are super flat, and I just thought the colors are really fall, and I like those a lot. And then I got these. These are definitely fall with the orange and gold. Very cute. Matter of fact, I'm going to open up one. I was kind of wanted to see what they were made of. And they are super thin, which will work really perfect on cards. And they're really pretty. Just really pretty flowers. And then once again, La Petite, these girlfriend 6-piece. I've been wanting this, and I always forget to get it when it's 40% off, but luckily it was 50% off. So I think these will look cute in my planner. Little girls. And then another Christmas sticker sheet, dimensionals, and these are like popped up with dimensionals. And I really like this black one with the bow. Really cute. And then I purchased these die cut stickers, and these are for Christmas. And let's just open them up and see what they look like really quick if I can. Making a lot of noise. They close theirs at the top. So let's look at these really pretty Christmas ornaments. So these are really pretty. They have a lot of shine to them. It says let it snow, joy, Merry Christmas, and peace. I think these will be the star of my Christmas cards this year. And then we have the skates, which I really like, and the little mittens, and then the snow globes, and then the sweater. Very cute. I also picked up a few sheets of paper. I don't purchase a lot of paper at Hobby Lobby, but I couldn't pass up this really cute dinosaur paper. It was $4 for $1 when I went, so I don't know. I just thought it would make a really cute card. And it's really pretty. Just these colors are just so vibrant on this paper. This looks like fall. I think this is pretty. And this one is sunflowers on black. So it has the black background. So these are just so pretty. I got 4 of those. And then this pumpkin one, and it's called Plaid Gourds. So there are some pumpkins and some squash, I think. I'm not sure if that's a squash or a gourd or whatever, but that's some really pretty paper. So that's my Hobby Lobby haul. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new to my channel, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe. And I want to thank all of my current subscribers for watching my channel. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.